morning vlog. So today we're off back to Auckland, unfortunately, which kind of sucks, but it's alright. But yeah, today we're just going back into Queenstown. We still have to have breakfast because it's currently 9:30, so we're going to go into Arrowtown for breakfast. I need to upload yesterday's video since I haven't had a chance to do that yet since the reception out here is real bad. That's alright, but we've got fresh snow up on the hill up here, which is real pretty, so yeah. I'll keep you guys posted as to what we get up to today. I feel like we've created a real habit on this trip of having really late breakfast, but breakfast is done and it was good. Breakfast is good and it's now 10 to 11, so we're off to look at some art gallery in Arrowtown. I'm not really too sure, but okay, this way. Okay, cool. Well, we changed plans to not go into the art gallery. We haven't really got any plans for today, so nothing's really new there. So we're just gonna go for like a walk around Arrowtown and what? Pretty, okay, thanks. I fully underestimated how many weird looks you get in public when you're vlogging. It's actually ridiculous. Hello. Hi. So on our tiki tour back to Queenstown, we're here where the mainland cheese ad was filmed. I know, exciting stuff, but might go take some photos or something. Okay, maybe we won't be taking photos on the property, but here's the place where it's filmed. Just took some photos here for my Instagram, so if you see those on there, you know where they came from. I just took my jacket off for the photos and it is so cold, but it's alright. Wow, shocking, we're waiting for Greg yet again. It's now lunchtime and you'll never guess where we're going for lunch. Sushi again. Not complaining though because it tastes real good. And maybe tank as well. Even though it's freezing, it tastes good. Time for some tank. Sharing is caring and this tastes amazing. Bye car. We just dropped our rental car back and now we're about to go to the airport to go home, unfortunately. This family is so dysfunctional. W window seat. Yeah, back home now. Sad face, sad react. Hey, now we're just in traffic for like an hour getting home. Well, we made it home after an hour and 20 minutes of sitting in traffic, which was so much fun. But yeah, it was a pretty good trip, I must say. So thank you to all you guys who have been keeping up with me and watching all my videos, which has been kind of cringe, but it's fine. And thanks to my parents for taking me on their trip with them. So see you guys whenever my next vlog is. I don't know when it will be, but you'll get the notification, so see ya.